Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will discuss some of the previous nursing MCQs related to general knowledge, or we can say general questions. Question number 1. In the circle given, the chords AB and CD intersects internally at P. If CP equal to 4 cm, DP 6 cm, and the numerical values of the length AP and BP are both natural number, which of the given option cannot be the length of AB? So here in this question, in the diagram given, the diagram is circled with intersecting chords. So if any chords AB and CD intersects inside the circle at point P, so the formula will be AP multiplied by BP is equal to CP multiplied by DP. So from here we can substitute the value here. AP multiplied by BP is equal to CP is the data given is 4 cm. So we'll multiply it with DP. DP is given 6 cm. So 4 into 6 equal to 24. So now we have to find the possible factors or the possible value of AP and BP so that the product of AP and BP equal to 24. So let's say the first value of AP is 1 and BP is 24. So 1 into 24 equals 24. So let's see here, AP plus BP equal to AB. That is the total length of this chord AB. So the value of AP is 1 plus 24 equal to 25. Then the second, let's say the value of AP is 2 and then the value of BP is 12. So 2 into 12 equal to 24. So 2 plus 12 equal to 14. Now let the value of AP be 3 and the value of BP will be 8. So 3 into 8 equal to 24. Here 3 plus 8 equal to 11. Now let's say AP will be 4 and BP will be 6. So 4 into 6 equal to 24. So now 4 plus 6 equal to 10. So here we can see in this calculation we can see that the possible value of AB will be first 25, option D, 14, option C, 11 there is no option given here, so we'll leave it. Then 10, option A. So we can see here there are three options which given here can be the possible length of AB. So the question asked here is which option given below cannot be the length of AB. So the correct option here is option B, that is 20 cm. So 20 cm cannot be the length of chord AB. Question number 2. Which of the following is not an integral component of MS Office? Option A, PowerPoint. Option B, Acrobat Writer. Option C, Word. Option D, Excel, or we can say MS Excel. So here we should know what are the components of MS Office. The components of MS Office, first is MS Word, which is Microsoft Word. Then MS PowerPoint, we can also write PPT. Then MS Excel, then MS OneNote, then MS Outlook, then MS Publisher, and MS Access. These are the components of MS Office. So here the question asks which of the following is not an integral component of MS Office. So option B is not the component of MS Office, which is Acrobat Writer. Question number 3. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. Hit a brick wall. Option A, hit someone with a brick. Option B, go to sleep. Option C, encounter an obstacle. Option D, use unfair tactics. The correct option here is option C, which is encounter an obstacle. It's like when someone meet with an obstacle while doing some things. For example, they used to say the police have hit a brick wall. This is an example. Question number 4. What is the value of the following MS Excel formula? Equal sum bracket 3 comma 16 by 4 by 2 comma minus 4 then bracket. The given option is option A -6, option B 7, option C 1, option D 0. So in Microsoft Excel, if we enter this formula, so how this Microsoft Excel will calculate this? First, the MS Excel will calculate this part, that is 16 by 4 by 2. First, it will calculate this first. Then after calculating this, it will sum up all the given data. So let's see here, 3 plus 16 by 4 by 2, then minus 4. It's written sum, so we have to plus all. Plus into minus equal to minus, so we get here minus 4 only. So it's equal 3. The MS Excel will calculate this part first, 16 divided by 4. So 16 divided by 4, the quotient is 4. So 4 will be divided by 2, then minus 4. So 3 plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So minus 4. So 3 plus 2 equal to 5. 5 minus 4 equal to 1. So the correct option here is option C, that is 1. Now I'll show you in Microsoft Excel. This is Microsoft Excel workbook. So here let's enter the given formula. The given formula is equal, then sum, then we put bracket, then 3 comma 16 by 4 by 2 comma then minus 4, then they put bracket. So after we enter this this all value or the form, after we enter the formula, we can hit enter key in the keyboard, then we'll see the sum of the given data. So here we can see this is the formula which is given. You can see this one equal sum 3 16 by 14 by 2 then comma minus 4. So this, the sum of this given formula is equal to 1. So the correct option is option C, that is 1. Question number 5. The ratio of boys to girls in a class is 7:11. If 5 more boys join the class, the ratio would change to 3:4. What was the initial number of students in the class? So the given ratio of boys to girls is 7:11. So let the actual number of boys be 7x and the actual number of girls be 11x, and the initial number of students be n. So therefore n is equal to 7x, that is the initial actual number of boys plus the initial actual number of girls, that is 18x. 7x plus 11x equal to 18x. And the second data which is given, if 5 more boys join the class, the ratio will change to 3:4. So 7x plus 5, that is 7x is the initial number of boys, then another 5 boys join the class, so will be 7x plus 5 divided by 11x is equal to 3/4, or 3:4 is, that is 3/4. From here it follows 7x multiplied by 4 is equal to 28x, 5 multiplied by 4 equal to 20, and 11x multiplied by 3 equal to 33x. And from here follows 33x minus 28x equal to 5x equal to 20. From here it follows x equal to 20 divided by 5 equal to 4. So now n, which is the initial number of students, is equal to 18x, that is x is equal to 4, so 18 multiplied by 4, that is 8 into 4 equal to 32. So 4 multiplied by 1, 4 plus 3 equal to 72. So the correct option here is option B, that is 72. The initial number of students in the class is 72. Question number 6. Which of the following country capital pairs is wrongly matched? Option A, Canada, Ottawa. Option B, Argentina, Addis Ababa. Option C, Egypt, Cairo. Option D, Finland, Helsinki. The given option which is wrongly matched with the country and capital is option B, Argentina, Addis Ababa. The correct capital of Argentina is this one, Buenos Aires. So Argentina is wrongly matched with Addis Ababa. This is the correct capital of Argentina. Question number 7. Select the most appropriate phrase to fill in the blank. The publisher have dash a new edition of this book. Option A, brought up. Option B, brought out. Option C, brought along. Option D, brought in. The correct option here is option B, that is brought out. The new publishers have brought out a new edition of this book. Question number 8. Select the option that is related to the third term. In the same way, the third term, this is the third term. In the same way, this second term is related to this first term. So it's given bird, nest, and pig, question mark. So the option given, sty, den, borrow, and stable. The correct option here is option A, that is pigsty. Then pigsty is the place where pigs are kept or pigs used to sleep and all. Then nest, it's the nest, and then it's like where the wild animals like lion and all sleeps. Burrow, it's the hole in the ground where rabbits and all used to stay. Then stable is it's a place where livestock are kept like horses and all. So the correct option here is option A, that is sty, pig sty. Question number 9. Which of the following statements is or are true? Statement number 1. MS Excel files are also called workbooks. MS Excel can be used to plot different types of charts. The option given, both statement 1 and 2. Option B, neither 1 nor 2. Option C, only 1. Option D is only 2. The correct option here is option A, which is both 1 and 2. That is the MS files are called workbooks, and the MS Excels can also be used to plot different types of charts. Question number 10. Identify the option that is different from the other 3 options. Option A, carbon. Option B, gold. Option C, silver. Sorry, this is silver. Option D, platinum. So here the option which is different from all of this is carbon. Carbon is a non-metal. All these 3 are metals. This is non-metal. So this carbon is different from all these 3 options given. So the correct option here is option A. Question number 11. The least perfect square that is divisible by each of 60 and 72 is option A, 1440, option B, 1800, option C, 360, option D, 3600. So here in this question we have to eliminate the numbers that are not square numbers. So first we take this one, 1440. So this number is similar to square number. Why? Because we know that 12 square equal to 144. But we have to find the square of, to get the similar number to this, we have to find the square of 120. 120 square equal to 12 square is equal to 144. So 0 will be, we have to add 2 0. So the square of 120 is 14,400. So the option number 1, which is 1440 is not a square number, so we can eliminate this option A. Then the option B, which is 1800, here the number 18, we know 18 is not a square number, so 1800 also will not be a square number. Now left with option C, that is 360. 360 is also not a square number, since 6 square equal to 36. If we find the square of 60, will be 3600. So here this one also is not square number. So now we see that 60 square is equal to 3600. So this number is the square number. So now let's find whether it's divisible by 72 or not. Since 3600 is a square number of 60, so obviously it's divisible by 60. Now let's find whether it's divisible by 72 or not. 3600 divided by 72. So 72 will go by 5. 5 will be 10. Then this one 35 plus 1 equal to 36. So now 0 will come here, then 0, 0. So 72 multiplied by 50 equal to 3600. So this number is a perfect square that is divisible by both 60 and 72. So the correct option here is option D, that is 3600. Question number 12. 120% of 75 is option A 88, option B 87, option C 90, option D 85. This is the easy question. So we have to find the 120% of 75 is how much. So 120%, we can write it 120 by 100 multiplied by 75. So this 0 and 0 will get cancelled, and 12 we can divide by 2, so will remaining 6, and 10 we can divide by 2, will remain 5. Then 5 we can divided by 5 will remain 1, and then 5 will 75 will divided by 5 will be 15. So 6 multiplied by 15 equal to 6 into 5 equal 30, carry 3, 6 into 1 6, carry 3 plus 3 equal to 90. So the correct answer here is option C, that is 90. 120% of 75 is 90.